Hello dear subscribers, they will tell us. So how to fix problem? You just want to paste something on your flash drive and you see the item can't be copied because it's too large for the volume format. So actually for fixing that, let's just go to Launchpad. Here we just need to tap on disk utility. Here you just need to choose your flash drive. After you just need to tap on erase, and from here you just need to choose ex8. So after just tap on erase, let's just wait until it will erase. So after, let's just close it. Now we just need to open Finder again. And in the Finder, let's just paste here again our file. So here you can see that we successfully copy this file. So now we just need to wait until it will finish loading this file, copying this file to flash drive. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.